Welcome back to Let's Talk by George. Who here doesn't want to earn extra cash? I do, and I hope you also have the same opinion. So here we are in today's video with another video about online money making. Now the days are gone. The days are gone where you were working in an office. The days are gone when you couldn't find any job. Now through the advancement of internet, thanks to the advancement of internet, we can do job from our home. So what we are going to do is we are going to take you to a website, and the website in question is called qwaworld.com, and we will show you what it is all about. As you can see, I'm wearing a headset, I'm typing on a laptop, so you might understand the purpose of it. Yes, it is, we are going to do a transcription job for a website. So basically Q&A World is about transcribing, and we will show you how to get registered to Q&A World and what are their ongoing process. So make sure that you watch the full video so you will get an idea about how to register and stuff like that.
So here we are in the landing page of QA World website. The application process or the onboarding process begins right now. Here we are given a couple of text fields where you have to enter your name, email address, and there is an option there where you have heard about it. It's your discretion what to select. Anything is fine. Select something and click on the I'm not robot thing and click on apply. Now what will happen is when you are registering, you need to have a valid email address. So once you have entered these details, they will send you an email to an inbox, and once you open your inbox, you can see an email from them. So click on it. Once you have clicked on it, and there is a specific word here, so just tap on that link where it is being mentioned here. As you can see from the highlighting thing, yep, there it is here. Click on it. So once you have clicked on it, it will take you to another page where you have to begin some formalities. First of all, you have to create a new password. So creating password with this site is little bit complicated, since it need to have capital letters, it need to have numericals, and they should have or they should contain some sort of special characters. So they do expect your password to be 12 or more characters. So you need to carefully select a password which is 12 or more, and which is a mix of the above said things such as capital, numericals, and special characters. So you can see over here, even I'm getting confused about the password thing. So let me attempt it again. I guess this is my third attempt. Yeah, so I guess now we can proceed with it. Alright then. So yeah, here we are. This is the landing page for the transcription test. Of course, you will be given a transcription test. Based on that, you will be selected. Now this is not a rocket science, or it's not that much difficult. All you need to do is you just click on the YouTube media or that media player, and it will play you a passage or a specific paragraph or something like that. So what they are going to do is they are going to give you a conversation, like somebody is going to read out a conversation between another person, and what you need to do is you just need to type the entire conversation into a paragraph. So this is all you need to do. There's a text box which is being given underneath the video, and you just need to type in the conversation into that text box. Now a couple of things that you need to be careful about is the use of appropriate capital letter word. So if there is a name being mentioned, do it as a capital letter, and you need to take care about the punctuations and stuff like that. So these are a couple of things that you need to be aware about. Now talking about this site, there are some advantages and disadvantages. Now the advantages are you can do it when you have free time, and their task start from $0.2, I mean 0.2 cents or 20 cents, as you might say. So basically, as a new fresher, you will be given small task, and as you progress with the transcription, you will be given big assignments. So basically, you will start with a small assignment first. Now that is an advantage, and second thing is you can complete, or I mean the time to complete this task is limited within a time frame, and if you don't complete the task within this time frame, it will be shared with somebody else. So that is how they work. Now the disadvantage is, first of all, it is pretty much hard to understand American slang. So American English is not normal English like the English that we use. They are little bit nasalized. They are using little bit nasalized pronunciation. So it is pretty much difficult to understand. Some words are pretty much difficult to understand. So that is the only disadvantage that you will be facing. But I'm sure that if you keep on practicing the transcription, definitely it will become more and more easy for you. Now the payout will be made every week. I think they are paying out in Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So either one of these days you can expect your payout. Now the thing is, how do you get the money? Well, they will transfer the money to your PayPal account. So basically, you should be having a PayPal account too. Well, the onboarding process is pretty much simple. You can complete it at your own time. You can, I mean, they also provide you communities like Slack and stuff like that, so you can really mingle with other translators who are doing the same job. And if you're having some confusion about a job, you can really raise up your queries in the community and ask for help and stuff like that. So it's pretty much friendly community, and a lot of people are doing it, so it's really easy. I wish you success in QA World task and QA World transcribing. If you wish to generate some money, extra money, definitely you can try QA World and it will be good. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching Let's Talk by George. Please stay tuned to this video so that you won't miss any further updates. Thank you.